Good day guys, welcome. Getting error 500 when trying to place an order on Pop Mart. You're not alone. In this video, we will tell you how to fix this. So first, don't panic. Error 500 usually means Pop Mart's servers are overloaded, especially during limited drops or events. So step number one, just wait a few minutes, then retry. It's often temporary. Step number two, switch your connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try mobile data or vice versa. Then log out of your Pop Mart account, then log back in. If you're logged in on multiple devices, log out from all except one. After that, you can also try clearing your cache. So on mobile, you just go to App Settings, Storage, and Clear Cache. On a browser, you can clear cookies and site data. You can also try a different browser or use the mobile app if the website isn't working. Still stuck, you can visit Pop Mart's official website on Instagram or app notifications to see if there's a server outage. So that's how to fix this error. Like and subscribe if this helped, and good luck scoring your next drop.